I first saw the Ramayana live performance by Dr. Padma at Bharat Kalachar. 2 hours of highest and aesthetic entertainment. To create the Hasya Rasa or the mirth in the audience is a boon. Difficult for me to create that, especially in the non-Indian audience. Of course, they love the mystic and the color, an element of Indian traditional dance. But how much of the Ramayana do they understand and feel? I don't know. I mean, of course, you do have exceptions. So that's why I chose to be contained to perform in India, where the audience gets you. The Ramayana, Bhavayami.
Bhavayami Raghuramam Bhavya Sugunaramam Bhavayami Raghuramam Bhavya Sugunaramam Bhavayami Raghuramam Bhavya